In the world of adult learning, passion drives purpose. But to make programs sustainable and scalable, we also need proof. That's where ROI comes in. ROI stands for return on investment. It's a way to evaluate the impact of learning in real, measurable terms. It answers the question, is this program delivering enough value to justify its cost? Now, let's be clear. Learning is not just numbers, but numbers help tell the story. ROI is especially important when you're designing corporate training, workforce development, or large-scale adult education initiatives. It gives decision-makers the data they need to keep investing in growth. So how do you measure ROI in adult education? Let's break it into 4 levels of impact, starting from basic to advanced. Level 1, reaction. Did learners find the experience valuable and relevant? This is typically measured through surveys and feedback forms. It doesn't prove learning happened, but it tells you if learners were engaged. Level 2, learning. Did learners acquire new knowledge, skills, or attitudes? This is measured through quizzes, assessments, reflections, and self-reports. It answers the question, what changed in what the learner knows or believes? Level 3, behavior. Are learners applying what they've learned in the real world? This is the biggest leap and the hardest to measure. You'll need follow-up interviews, manager feedback, or observation data. This tells you whether learning is translating into action. Level 4, results. What tangible outcomes did the learning produce? This could include increased productivity, better performance, faster onboarding, higher customer satisfaction, reduced errors or waste. These are the metrics that matter to stakeholders and show the true business case for education. So how do you calculate ROI? Here's a simple formula. ROI % equals net program benefit program cost x 100. Let's say a leadership course costs $10,000 to run. And over 6 months, it results in $30,000 of measurable improvement through better decisions, fewer conflicts, and higher team performance. Your net benefit is $20,000. ROI equals a 20,000, 10,000, 100 equals 200%. That's a strong case for repeating or scaling the program. But remember, not everything valuable is easily quantifiable. Growth in confidence, improved morale, better culture. These soft outcomes are real, and they often drive the hard numbers. Use both qualitative and quantitative tools. Capture stories as well as stats. And frame ROI not just as return on investment, but return from learning. Because when adult education is done well, it pays off far beyond the classroom. In skills, in performance, in possibility.